Assalamu alaikum. How are you everyone? This is Shazad Aman. Today we will be discussing about the conversion of MP4 video file to audio file. So for that purpose you must have a VLC. So I have VLC installed. Click to open it. Now click media and click convert or save button. Now select the file you want to convert to MP3. We clicked here add button. Now this is opened. Here I select this video file and now I click convert or save. This is source file. Here is the destination folder. Click browse and we want to save it on the, let's say, desktop. Okay, saving it. Now click start button and here it is started. You must have your this task manager opened. When it finishes here, we close it from the task manager. Now we close it from the task manager. Here select VLC and then click end task. Here VLC end task. It is ended and there is our convert PDF file to PDF to this is the name of our file. Now
Hello everyone, this is Shazad Ahmed.
This is MP3.
Hope you are all fine. Today we will discuss about
MP3
how to convert
format of the video in the download section. Here in the downloads, this file is in video MP4 and this is in audio MP3. Here is MP4 video file. It's still in MP4 but it is the audio.
Hello everyone, this is Shazad Ahmed.
There is no video.
Hope you are all fine. To select your file
MP3 and this is MP4.
Hello, drop down menu from here.
So it is converted. Hope you like this video, understand the procedure converting your MP4 file from VLC. So with you convert it your video into MP3. So like the channel, subscribe it, and thanks for watching.